You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to change the time zone on your Android phone. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on General Management. On some phones, this may be under System or Additional Settings. Tap on Date and Time. Here you will see an option for automatic date and time which uses the network provided. Time zone. To manually set the time zone, first toggle off automatic date and time. Once it's off, tap on Select Time Zone. A list of world time zones will appear. Scroll or search for the city or region that matches your desired time zone, such as New York or London. Tap on it to select. Your phone's clock will immediately update to the new time zone. Ensure the date and time below are also correct. You can re-enable automatic time zone anytime by toggling automatic date and time back on. This is useful when traveling to ensure your phone shows the local time. The change affects all system functions, alarms, and apps that use the device time. If you're having issues, restart your phone. This setting is separate from your Google account's time zone, which can be changed in your Google settings online. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.